Hi guys, today I'm demonstrating the Neabot pet vacuum and the grooming kits. Hi guys, today I'm demonstrating the Neabot pet vacuum and the grooming kit. So let's dive right into it. Attachment. So right here is the grooming brush. It can clean, the floating hair on pets and the garbage in the hair. So overall, this makes the hair more fluffy. Then guys, you also receive these electric clippers which can actually shave your pet's hair, and it will just suck them all into the dust cup which is given in the vacuum cleaner. And guys, this right here is the de-shedding tool. How cool are the bristles? So this will quickly and easily remove all the loose hair for long and short hair dogs as well as kitties. So in fact, you get this complete user manual, and it tells you everything about the usage, attachments, cleaning the unit. This is how the vacuum looks like. Now, how cute is that? And right here you have this suction cord, not too long but not too bad, and this is the head where you put in all the attachments. These are the operating buttons right here. And guys, this is the place where all the hair gets stuck inside the jar. So guys, in order to turn it on, I'm gonna plug this thing into the electric source, and these right here are the power controls. So we have the power button and the max, so let's turn it on. Let me hit the max button. Not very noisy, right? And you know what guys, this wraps up nicely around this. Something like this. Wow. If you turn it upside down, there is more wire management, so you can wrap up this cord all around, so there is no wire mess in your home, and it just takes so much lesser space, right? So guys, I'm totally impressed with this vacuum and the grooming kit for the pets, because I really like how they've combined the grooming for your pets with the house cleaning. So whatever clutter is happening, it just happens within this jar. So later on, you are not spending hours, cleaning up the mess, which I think only pet owners can understand what I'm saying. So excellent choice for people who have furry babies, furry dogs, and who often have to run to the salon, spa to get hair trim, basic essential grooming done. Now you can do it at the comfort of your home, free of cost.